Welcome back, Tomy Channel. Get ready to experience the future of luxury driving with the all-new luxurious next-level Motorhome's Volvo Motorhome 2026. If you've been waiting for the perfect mix of Swedish engineering, premium comfort, and futuristic tech in a mobile lifestyle, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome delivers. Let's dive into everything this machine offers. Exterior bold and breathtaking, it wears clean Scandinavian lines, a massive panoramic windshield, and signature Thor-style LED headlights that sweep across the front fascia. The sleek, aerodynamic body reduces drag and boosts efficiency, while high-grade aluminum panels and protective cladding make it ready for varied terrain. The side profile is crisp yet assertive with flush door handles, slim window trims, hidden storage, an automatic retractable awning, roof-mounted solar panels, and adaptive LED taillights for safety and style. Interior inside is where it truly shines. The cabin embraces a warm, minimalist Scandinavian aesthetic, light wood accents, ambient LEDs, and premium vegan leather. A smart layout and expansive glass, including a near full-length skylight, create an open, airy feel. The front seats swivel to face the living space with a smart foldable dining table. The modular kitchen features induction cooktops, a refrigerator, and touch-controlled storage. In back, a luxurious bedroom houses a full-size memory foam bed, ambient lighting and integrated wardrobes, while a private bath adds a rainfall shower, anti-fog mirrors, and upscale fixtures. Every stitch and panel reflects Volvo's meticulous attention to detail, performance, and range. Built on a hybrid electric powertrain pairing a turbocharged 12.0L petrol engine with dual electric motors, it delivers 400+ HP with instant torque and smooth acceleration. Advanced AWD adds confidence, adaptive air suspension self-adjusts for maximum comfort, and multiple drive modes, eco, comfort, and off-road, tailor the experience. Thanks to Regan braking and solar assist, expect up to 800 km of combined range, full tank plus charge. Cabin noise insulation keeps long hauls serene. Pricing: starting around $135,000 for the base model and up to $165,000 for the full luxury trim. It targets buyers who want comfort, tech, and performance in one seamless package, backed by a premium warranty and Volvo's global service network. Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome 2026. A rolling palace that blurs the line between high-end living and cutting-edge automotive engineering. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome redefines what an RV can be. Exterior commanding and futuristic, the front wears an iconic Maybach grille reimagined for 2026, flanked by sleek LED matrix headlights. Aerodynamic intakes and a low splitter add supercar attitude. Finished in high-gloss pearl white with chrome accents tracing its contours, it gleams like a sculpture in motion. Massive 26-inch multi-spoke Maybach alloys sit under subtly flared arches with adaptive air suspension. A continuous LED strip frames the windows and beltline for a cyberpunk vibe, while gullwing-style entry panels, hidden retractable steps, a full-width OLED rear light bar, and an integrated roof spoiler underscore its private jet on wheels. Presence. Interior. Open the power doors to a fully automated space that feels like a penthouse suite. Matte walnut, quilted Napa leather, carbon fiber trim, and 64-color ambient lighting. A panoramic smart roof varies opacity with the sun. The lounge features swiveling, heated, cooled massage recliners and a retractable 85-inch OLED with Dolby Atmos. A hidden kitchenette offers induction cooking, a smart fridge, and a voice-controlled espresso machine. There's a spa-grade bathroom, with rain shower, heated floor, and a smart toilet, plus a private bedroom with a king bed, adaptive memory foam, and one-command blackout shades. MBX Hyperscreen orchestrates everything: climate, media, lighting, and even exterior surveillance, performance, and tech. A hybrid V8 and dual electric motors deliver 900+ HP with intelligent mode switching for terrain or efficiency, offering over 500 miles in hybrid use and up to 180 miles on electric alone. Despite its size, it sprints 0 to 60 mph in under 5.5 seconds. Adaptive air suspension scans the road in real time. Active noise cancellation keeps the cabin whisper quiet. and Level 4 autonomous features, self-navigation, auto parking, lane change assist, let you relax while the AI drives. Base pricing. Starts near $1.4 million with bespoke options easily pushing totals past $2 million. Limited to 100 units globally. Each is built to order with lead times up to 18 months. Ford Motorhome, 2026. The 2026 Ford Motorhome is a rolling luxury fortress, futuristic design, lavish comfort, and serious performance for the extreme high end of mobile living exterior. Think sci-fi silhouette, aerodynamic yet bold with sweeping sculpted curves. A glossy black and pearl white two-tone finish gives it a spaceship aura, and a seamless LED light strip defines the face. The multi-axle 10-wheel setup grants immense road presence. Chrome-detailed rims glitter like cut diamonds. A raised, cockpit-style driver's bridge delivers a panoramic command view. Very super yacht meets skydeck. Interior. Through the automatic gull-wing door, a futuristic lounge unfolds. Ambient LEDs, Italian leather, carbon fiber accents, and seamless touchscreens, for everything from lighting to climate. The main lounge resembles a 5-star suite with recliner sofas, a widescreen OLED, and yes, a built-in fireplace. The smart kitchen packs induction cooking, a connected fridge, and voice-activated storage. The dining area seats 6 and doubles as a remote work hub. In back, a spa bathroom features a rain shower, marble floors, and a self-cleaning toilet, while the master bedroom adds a king memory foam bed, retractable privacy glass, a starlight ceiling, and full surround sound. There's even an upper deck lounge with retractable seating and a sunroof. Performance and price. A hybrid twin-turbo V8 teams with an advanced electric drive for $1,200 HP, delivering swift, near-silent cruising with AI navigation that adapts to traffic and weather in real time. Air suspension and auto-leveling make every road feel like silk. Pricing is expected to start around $3.5 million, with options ranging from a mini garage and drone pad to a rooftop jacuzzi. Production will be extremely limited, part collector's item, part status symbol. Bugatti Motorhome, 2026. Bugatti brings hypercar soul to a mobile mansion with the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. Ambition and style turned up to 11. Exterior A, spaceship on wheels. Aerodynamic curves, assertive stance, sweeping LED light signatures, a matte black body with carbon fiber accents, and the unmistakable Bugatti horseshoe grille scaled for grandeur. Panoramic glass blends into the body for a sleek silhouette while flush automatic doors whisper open to a high-tech interior. 24-inch forged Bugatti alloys, performance touring tires, and illuminated Bugatti center caps complete the look. Interior opulence meets tech. Italian leather seating, ambient mood lighting, and real carbon fiber trim create a cozy yet cockpit-like feel. The driver's captain's chair is fully adjustable and massage-equipped, surrounded by a 360-degree digital command display. The lounge provides electronically reclining chairs, a retractable 80-inch OLED, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system. The kitchen packs an induction stove, smart fridge, espresso machine, and quartz counters. The hotel-grade bath features a rainfall shower, heated floor, and motion-activated lighting. In the private bedroom, a king memory foam bed, starlight, ceiling, and voice-activated controls for lighting, music, and climate. Motorized panels hide abundant storage to keep the design pristine. Performance and safety. A hybrid V8 with electric motors produces about 1,200 HP, launching this behemoth 0-60 mph in under 6 seconds. Adaptive air suspension, 4-wheel steering, and active torque vectoring deliver uncanny agility. AI-assisted driving adds smart braking, autopilot lane control, and predictive route planning. Tech includes 5G Wi-Fi, full smart assistant integration, and comprehensive app control. Safety is top tier with 360-degree cameras, night vision, collision avoidance, and biometric entry. Pricing. Starting around $5.4 million, it ranks among the most expensive RVs ever built, a hypercar-grade, ultra-luxury residence for the road.